To install MongoDB on Windows, you can go to this link where you can find the installer. We can download this installer. Now since our installer is downloaded, let's open it. Let's double click this installer to start installing MongoDB on Windows. Now let's click next. And I accept all the terms and conditions. And here, one thing to note that you should choose the complete setup. And we will also install MongoDB as a service. Make sure to install MongoDB as a service so that you do not have to start the MongoDB daemon in the background again and again. And we don't want to install MongoDB Compass as of now. So let's uncheck that and click on next. And let's click on install. Now let's click on finish. So now let's open our command prompt. So now let's just cd into program files, cdc:, program files, /MongoDB, /server, /bin. Let's see what are the directories here. cd into 4.0 /bin, and I'm again and again using ls. It should be dir, and we see that our Mongo binary is here. So let's open this Mongo, and we see that we are connected to our shell. And if we show DBs, we see that we have all the 3 default DBs. So this is how you install MongoDB on Windows PC.